Hi students, I hope you are all doing good. We will start 7th day's lesson in 10th English medium mathematics. First, we will recall what we studied in yesterday's class. First sum we did, 7th term of an AP is 4 times its second term. 12th term is 2 more than 3 times its fourth term. Write AP. Will you be able to write relation between the terms? 7th term is written as A7. Second term is written as A2. 4 times means 4 into A2. A7 is equal to 4 into A2. Similarly, 12th term is written as A12. 2 more means you have to add 2. 2 plus. 3 times the fourth term means 3 into A4. Once you are able to identify relation between the terms, when you express it in the form of equation, your half work is completed. Then replace 7th term by a plus 6d, second term by a plus d. When you simplify, we will get 3a is equal to 2d. Same way, when we simplify 12th term by a plus 11d, fourth term by a plus 3d, we will get equation 2d is equal to 2a plus 2. Here also 2d, here also 2d, therefore 3a is equal to 2a plus 2. When we simplify, we will get a is equal to 2. Further simplification, we will get value d is equal to 3. Then easily you can write AP. First term 2, then going on adding 3 will become 5, 8, 11 and so on. Now let us look at the next sum. A line segment is divided into 4 parts forming an AP. The sum of the lengths of third and fourth term is 3 times the sum of the lengths of the first 2 parts. If the length of the fourth part is 14 centimeter, find the total length of the line segment. How many parts, how many terms are there in AP? 4 terms. Therefore, we have to take fourth term, 4 terms, middle 2 terms A minus D and A plus D. A minus D and A plus D. When we find the difference between these two terms, we will get a difference 2D. Therefore, previous term to A minus D will be A minus 3D. Next term to A plus D is A plus 3D. Therefore, our AP is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Suppose it has only 3 parts. Let us assume the question. Different question is there. In an AP, there are 3 terms. Then we have to take middle term as A, previous term as A minus D, next term as A plus D. Have you understood now? 3 terms A minus D, A plus D. 4 terms A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Now let us use the relation. Sum of the length of third and fourth term. Third term is how much? A plus D. Fourth term is how much? A plus 3D. Therefore, their sum A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 3 times the sum of first and second. First term is A minus 3D. Second term is A minus D. Add them and multiply by 3. When you simplify, you will get A is equal to 4D. Everyone understood? Then fourth part is 14. Fourth term is 14. Now look at the AP. Which is the fourth term? A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equal to 14. Substitute A is equal to 4D in that one. We will get A is equal to 8. Now we have to find the total length. Means we have to add all the four terms. A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D. Minus D plus D minus 3D plus 3D gets cancels. A will remain. Right? When you add, you will get 4A. A is equal to 8. 4 8s are 32. Now we will start today's lesson. Will you copy the first question? Find the sum of first n natural numbers. Find the sum of first n natural numbers. This question appeared in April 2018. Annual paper, April 2018. Now let us write AP. Natural numbers. Can you write the set? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, isn't it? Now we will put plus sign and write AP is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. Now write what is the value of A, D, N is equal to N. We have to find Sn. In place of A, how much you wrote? 1. D also 1. N terms, therefore N is equal to N only. We have to find Sn. Next, let us write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope you all by hearted the formula. Next, n by 2 into, in place of a how much? 1. Therefore 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into, in place of d how much? 1. When you simplify, n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. We will write n first, then 1. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Shall we verify our answer? Let us take first two natural numbers. How many? 2. Substitute 2 in place of n. 2 into 2 plus 1, 3. 2 3s are 6. Divided by 2, 3. Here add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, now we will add first 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Now we will use formula. In place of n, 3. 3 into 4 divided by 2. 12 by 2, 6. Correct now? Likewise, you can verify other answers also. Next, from the same question paper, another question. Find the sum of all first n even natural numbers. Find the sum of all first n even natural numbers. Now natural number starts from 1 only. Is 1 is an even number? No. After 1, 2 will come. So first term is 2. Since even number going on increasing by 2, 2 plus 4 plus 6 and so on. Wrote AP. Now write the value of A, D, N and you have to find Sn. Everyone completed? A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2, N is equal to N, Sn is equal to how much? What is the next step? We have to write formula. Everyone write formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Everyone wrote it correctly? Next substitution. N by 2 into how much? 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. Multiply 2 inside the bracket, it will become 2n minus 2. So n by 2 into 4 plus 2n minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, inside the bracket 2n plus 2. Among these two terms, 2 is common term. We will take it out. N into 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into 2 into n plus 1 divided by 2. 2 gets cancels. Answer is n into n plus 1. Here also we can verify. We will add first 2. 2 plus 4 how much? 6. Now how many terms? 2 terms. 2 into 3, 6. We will add 3. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. How many terms? 3. 3 into 4, 12. Both answers are same. Move on to next question. Find the sum of 3 plus 7 plus 11 so on up to 10 terms. 3 plus 7 plus 11, 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus so on to 10 terms. Will you do it on your own? Do it. Completed first line. A is equal to 3, D is equal to 4, N is equal to 10, S10 is equal to how much? Then everyone completed formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many terms sum? S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. 2 3s are 6. 36 plus 6, 42. 10 by 2, 5. 5 into 42 is 210. Is everyone understood all these sums? Can you work out on your own? Yes, keep trying. We will take a break and join you after the break.